This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Laura Jones. Beautiful traditional 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath split foyer in highly sought after West Oak Ridge. Fabulous hardwood flooring on main level. Large laundry room west/half bath. A man-sized garage with tons of space. New in 2021 garbage disposal, 1 new garage door opener, new roof, kitchen sink drain and new master bath sink fixtures. Convenient to both Oak Ridge and Knoxville for shopping, restaurants and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Jones at 865-693-1111.